In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set shipping rates on Big Cartel. Whether you're just starting out with your online shop or wanting to optimize your shipping strategy, this guide will help you set up your rates efficiently. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page or the main dashboard where you'll manage all of your store operations. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options available, typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, you'll want to look for the Account section. It might be represented by your shop name or an icon that stands out. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in your account settings, it's time to explore the options related to shipping. Here you'll find a section specifically marked for shipping profiles. This is a crucial step, as creating tailored shipping profiles allows you to apply different rates to various products based on your customers' locations. Once you've arrived at the shipping profiles page, you'll likely notice a list of profiles if you have any existing ones. If there's none, don't worry. Creating a new shipping profile is just what we'll do next. You'll want to click on Add New Profile to initiate the process. Now that you've begun the setup for a new profile, start by defining the region or zones you want this particular profile to apply to. This can range from local, national, or even international zones depending on the scope of your business. This detailed setup allows you to cater to customers from different areas, ensuring they are charged fairly based on their location. With this in hand, we'll now dive into setting the rates. You have the flexibility to put in flat rates or calculate them based on order total, weight, or quantity. Carefully consider the nature of your product and your shipping costs to select an option that aligns with your business strategy. Balancing between competitive pricing and covering costs is key here. Once you've set your rates, click to save changes. It is always a good practice to double check your entries to ensure accuracy. There's nothing like catching any tiny errors that might affect your customer's experience or cause discrepancies in your shipping costs. And there you have it. You've just set up your shipping rates on Big Cartel. By following these steps, you can now offer your customers clear and accurate shipping options, which will ultimately enhance their shopping experience on your site. Happy selling!